like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to know how I made this delicious waakye, then keep watching. But before you watch this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also comment down below if you enjoyed watching this video and also what videos you'd like me to do next. Thank you guys. So guys, our main ingredient is the black-eyed beans. I normally use the Tropical Sun black-eyed beans. You could get this from any Afro-Caribbean supermarket. I think you could even get some from Tesco. So any good black-eyed beans will do. So I'm going to be using the whole packet. And this is 500 grams. So I'm going to use the whole packet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour our beans in our pot. And we're going to be washing it. And then I'm just going to wash the beans and then I'll put it on the cooker for it to cook. So my beans is washed and I've put about 6 cups of water in here because beans uses a lot of water. And I've also picked out the bad ones, like these ones are like the bad ones. You don't need to cook that. And how you know which ones are the bad ones is normally when you put water on the beans, the bad ones normally float at the top. So they normally come at the top of the water. So those ones are not good. Just take them out. For seasoning, I'm going to be using salt. So again, I'm going to put some aroma in there just for flavor. So now I'm going to leave it to cook for about an hour. Well, until the beans is really soft. Because I don't like my beans hard, if that makes sense. I don't like to have hard beans with my waakye. I like my beans to be really soft and stuck with the rice. I'll show you guys what I mean. But yeah, I'm going to leave it to cook for an hour on high heat. So after my beans has been boiling for about 15 to 20 minutes, I'm now going to give it a quick stir and then I'm going to add in my waakye leaves. I don't know the correct name for these leaves, but you can get it from any Afro supermarket. I'm sure if you ask them for waakye leaves, they will know what it is. This leaves actually just gives the waakye that brownish color. It doesn't actually add any flavor to the waakye. It just makes the waakye look nice and brown and like little reddish, as you can see that the water is changing. So yeah, I'm just gonna put those leaves in there. I put about 6 of them and then I'm gonna leave my beans to cook for another hour. As I said before guys, I want my beans to be super soft. So yeah, this is after an hour and you can see that my beans are nice and soft. They are fully cooked and this is the consistency that I want my beans to be. And as you can see from the color of the water, it has changed to that reddish brown. So now it's time to put in my rice. I put about 4 cups of rice into this. And then I gave it a quick stir, then I covered it up and left it to cook for a further 30 to 40 minutes. And then after that I came back to check on it to see how it was doing, and then I gave it a quick stir again. And then what I did after that is I placed some foil over it and then I covered it and allowed it to cook on about low heat. My highest heat is 6, so I cooked it on 4. And then yeah, as you can see, my waakye is ready. It's so nice, like it's really soft, and this is how I like my waakye. I don't like it when the rice is really like separated from the beans, if that makes sense. I like the rice and the beans to stick together. So now that my waakye is ready, I'm taking the leaves out because you don't eat that. That's just to change the color of the rice. I'm now going to dish it up with some nice stew. You can eat this with like any stew of your choice, chicken stew, fish stew or meat stew. I'm eating this with some meat stew and I'm going to put some shito on the side. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Bye.